Old squirrel's out there tearing it up. Yeah, he's chowing down out there. He likes that bird food. Got a dove over here on this side. He definitely likes that food. Uh-oh, look at him drinking the water. I put a bowl of water out there, didn't think they'd drink out of it. Oh, he's gonna say, let me run up here to the house. I don't know where he's going. Keep an eye on him, see where he goes. Oh, he went up the tree. I don't know what he's doing up there. Oh, he's going. He's gonna take a nap. That's something. He's just laying down, chilling upside down. I got some crazy animals around here. That's what he's doing. He's just laying there, taking a siesta. Alrighty, my friends, that'll do it on this one. Hope y'all having a blessed Sunday Easter. The reason for the season, you know what it is. Alrighty, we'll catch y'all later. God bless.